Last time I made not this on the snow, but about 2 years ago, when I finished the work on this truck, I made a running video, and I had an accident. Wow, wow! And since from then, these two are badly broken. Today I want to fix them, and I will show you how. Comment, like, subscribe. Now we have three problems: 1, 2, and 3. And about this, as I have this hole here by this side, here I think that I will just eliminate this and make a hole and use these to hold into the hole of this support. Here the problem is quite different, because I have no holes where to put this. So I will eliminate this, I will make a hole, I will put one of these, and I have to try to use these to put here, then the shaft, and it will stay. And this is the easy part. The difficult part is this one, because if you see by this side, this is a special plastic molded part that makes a U-turn like this, and has a tooth here that gets into there. I have to try to realize something light, but up to now I don't know how. So I will start to fix this and this. In the meanwhile, my brain works. Usually it's not a great work, okay, but it works. And I will see how to find a solution to keep this in this position. Let's start with this one. And to start with this one, first work is this. Second work, make a hole. This is smaller than this, not too much, but smaller, and it's important to start with the smaller one, because you have to make the path. And also is important to make it by hand, because you don't have to go too fast, in order not to mold the plastic and to have a perfect. The position is absolutely horrible. I can't see. In fact, I'm not in the middle, so I have to go a little bit down. While you turn, you have to push a little bit. Attention not to break this. Okay, now I can use the drill. And in this case, the hole. Ooh. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Then this. Wow. Okay. Just to sign, not to cut. Wonderful. Here it's not great, but it works perfectly, and this is very important. Now just a little jack of instant glue on the outside of this. One by this side and the other one by this other side. Stop. And one is done. Later I can paint it, but now it works fantastically. And now this one that is more difficult. A little bit longer, but it's good. Now, and decide where to make the hole. A hole like this, in this position. I can do with the drill. Okay. Here. Now I glue it, then I leave it here for, I have to do the second one obviously by the other side. I will glue it and leave it here for 12 hours. Because this glue is instant, okay, but it finished to glue very well in 24 hours. 24 as the most part of the glue I use. Another hole, slowly. Okay, perfect. This glue is quite old. It's still working, but then I can modify a little bit this. Okay, it seems, yes. Well, I try with this. Woo! Done! Perfect. Now I have to cut this, but this is done. This is done. Now here is the problem. Of course, later I will paint it. I have to find the exact green, but I'm very happy about this, better than this. more solid metal, of course. Just a little bit of instant glue here, then okay, now I leave this here. When it will be dried, I will cut this in this position and the excess of the screw. This will be not very easy because this is plastic, so but I can do this. And after this, I fixed everything. Little bit of paint and the work is done. Just to be painted. I made the color, it's quite similar, not exactly the same, it's impossible to me to do the same, but it's nice, it's quite good. And if I see some differences, I appreciate them, because this kind of trucks were not perfect. So a little bit of repair. Sorry for the camera, this is dangling. I can't stop it. And this is my masterpiece. Oof, I forgot the screw. There. I leave it. No matter. I leave it here. A long time. This will take a long time. But herein, this is not very nice. Perhaps stopping here with the paint is better. Quite good. And so my Unimog now it's fixed. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Ciao!